Good morning, children. I am sure that you will be safe in the tremendous condition of the nation and the world overall as a whole. Be safe from coronavirus, stay at home and study properly. Do some physical exercises, praying, meditation. All these things will help you to get more energy beyond the readings. Do all these things before you study anything. You should get up early in the morning, fresh yourself, take bath, and pray to God for the welfare of the all humankind, to relieve to relieve the world from this challenge, from this problem that the whole world is facing, to recover as soon as possible. No doubt that if everybody prays together, the Almighty will listen to all of us. I am sure that we will recover from this problem very soon and we will meet face to face. Here on video, I am just before you. I had given you the summary of the Tiger King, the first lesson of the Vistar, the supplementary reader of class 12. I am sure that you have gone through that. If you have any difficult words, you better ask, otherwise I will give you difficult words with their meanings. Today I want to give you some extra questions beyond the NCERT questions that is given at the end of the lesson. These questions are very important from the point of view of board exam. So you should listen it properly, note down in your fair notes, and that to be checked when the school reopens. The first question is, note down the question, I will give you the answers also. How did the Maharaja try to disprove, DISPROVE, the prediction of the chief astrologer, prediction, PREDICTION? What did the state astrologer assert, ASSERT, when the Maharaja summoned means called, SUMMONED, him to show his first kill? Since the astrologers had predicted death from tiger, the Maharaja decided to kill tigers to defend themselves. Hence, he started out on tiger hunt campaign, COMPAIGN. There were enough tigers in the forests of Pratibandhpuram state. The Maharaja was thrilled, thrilled, beyond measure when he killed his first tiger. He sent for the state astrologer and showed him the dead beast, BEAST. Beast means animal. Paragraph change. The Maharaja asked the astrologer what he said then. The astrologer said that His Majesty might kill 99 tigers in exactly the same manner, but he must be very careful with the 100th tiger, SUNDREDTH, 100th tiger. Maharaja wanted to know what would happen if the 100th tiger was also killed. He wanted to know whether after killing the 100th tiger he would be immortal or not. The state astrologer said that in that case he would tear up all the books. He would tear up all the books on astrology and set them to fire. Set them to fire. Moreover, he would cut off his tuft. Tuft. A Brahman keeps antenna type tuft, tuft. Crop his hair short and become an insurance agent. It was a challenge given by the astrologer. If his prediction proves to be false, then he would cut off his tuft, crop his hair short, and become an insurance agent. That's all. It is 110 words. Between 100 to 125 words you have to write. Next question, note down. What problems did the Maharaja face in pursuit of PURSUIT of his mission? When the Maharaja was trying to kill the tiger one by one, what problems he had to face? How did he resolve them? How did he resolve his problem? Write the answer. The Maharaja started his mission of killing 100 tigers with single-minded devotion. He focused all his energy and attention to it. He concentrated on killing tiger, the next tiger, the next another. Like this, he was just counting and killing tiger one by one. He vowed, VOWED, he vowed that he would attend to all other matters only after killing 100 tigers. He had told his officers, his authorities, whoever were working in his country and state, that after killing 100 tiger he would take interest in state matters. Before that he is not going to think about anything else. Initially the king seemed well set to realize his ambition. Well set, SET set. Then dangers and difficulties cropped up. CROPPED. There were times when the bullet missed its mark. The tiger would leap upon him. Leap, jump. LEAP. Leap upon him, and he had to fight the wild beast with his bare hands. He had to do a duel, DUEL, with the tiger. Luckily, each time the Maharaja, who had indomitable, indomitable courage, means that cannot be measured. Indomitable means that cannot be measured. Courage won. Who had indomitable courage, won. Full stop. Be careful when you are putting full stop, comma. A comma gives a different meaning. When without comma or full stop you are writing, the meaning is not clear. Paragraph change. Once he was in danger of losing his throne because he did not permit a high-ranking British officer to hunt a tiger in the Pratibandhapuram forest. A British officer wanted to hunt tigers in his area, but the king had already determined that he would kill 100 tigers at first. So he did not allow the British officers for tiger hunt. The king did not accede to his request. Accede, ACCEDE. Accede means accept. for being photographed with a gun on the carcass, carcass, carcass of the tiger, killed. Carcass means the dead body of the tiger, and he had to fight the wild beast. Did what? Uh, for being photographed with a gun on the carcass of a tiger killed by the Maharaja. I am repeating the sentence. The king did not accede to his request for being photographed with a gun on the carcass of the tiger killed by the Maharaja. The Maharaja had to part with a costly gift to placate, P-L-A-C-T. To placate means to settle, to console his injured feelings and save his kingdom. The answer is over. Come to the next question. How does the author satirize to make make comments? Satirize, S-A-T-I-R-I-S-E. Satirize the hunting instincts, INSTINCTS. Instincts of the persons in authority. I am repeating the question. How does the author satirize the hunting instincts of the persons in authority? Note down the answer. The story tells us that big game hunting was considered a royal sport. The Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram went to the extent of banning, BANNING, banning a tiger hunt in his own kingdom by all others except himself. The Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram went to the extent of banning. Ban means to stop someone to do anything. Banning tiger hunt in his own kingdom by all others except himself. Tiger hunt became an obsession for him. Obsession, OBSESSION. Obsession for him. He thought of tiger during the day and dreamed, DREAMT, of it at night. He always thought about tiger hunt, how to kill, where to find. He postponed all affairs of the state. Postponed means POSTPONED. Postponed means to be done later on. All affairs of the state and devoted himself only to tiger hunt. Thus, a pastime or sport became the only aim of his life. He married for the sake of tiger. He married the princes of other states for the sake of tigers because he wanted to kill tigers. If he came to know that in the particular state the number of the population of tiger is abundant, then he tried to find out whether there is any prince with whom he could get married. He offered for his marriage, and when he became the relatives, the son-in-law of the king, he visited his large house and went for tiger hunt. Thus, a pastime or sport became the only aim of his life. He married for the sake of tiger. He chose, chosen, CHOSE, second form of the verb. He chose a princess in whose kingdom there were plenty of tigers. Number of tigers were in abundance. PLENTY. He could undertake any risk for tiger hunt. Any risk, RISK. Para change. The British officer had also developed a fondness, FONDNESS, fondness for this royal sport. Perhaps they considered it a status symbol. They were they were publicity conscious. Publicity Publicity conscious 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 and wanted to be photographed with a gun in hand and the carcass of a tiger, carcass of a tiger at feet, FWT. Various other hunts were also prevalent. This included boar hunt, BOAR, mouse hunt, and mosquito hunt. The descending order of risk, descending DESCENDING, descending order of risk and resistance from the victims, resistance RESISTANCE, resistance from the victims makes us laugh at the whims, WHIMS, whims and craziness of the hunters. Thus, the story exposes the fondness of persons in authority for hunting wild animals. Last line repeating. The story exposes EXPOSES. Max means the story clarifies the fondness of persons in authority for hunting wild animals. One more question I want to provide you. What devices does the author use? Fourth question for long answers. What devices does the author use to make the story, The Tiger King, humorous and interesting? Humorous and interesting. Not the answers. The author uses many literary devices to make this story humorous as well as interesting. He introduces the elements of shock and surprise by making the 10-day-old baby open his lips to talk and ask intelligent questions, which is unbelievable. The predictions of the astrologers convey inevitability, inevitability, inevitability of death. But the man of indomitable courage, that is the Tiger King, faces the agent of death, that is the tiger, many times and comes out victorious every time. VICTORIOUS, victorious every time. Paragraph change. The description of the education and upbringing of Crown Prince, upbringing, UPBRING, upbringing of Crown Princes of Indian states and their craze for English. English should be written between single inverted comma, E capital. English provides lots of fun. The mention of various hunts, tiger hunt, boar hunt, mouse hunt, mosquito hunt, makes us laugh at the pastimes of people in authority at the cost of innocent animals. Innocent, INNOCENT. The last two hunts seem funny and ridiculous, RIDICULOUS. Authority. The Maharaja's thought of marrying a girl for the sake of tiger is also amusing. The Maharaja's thought of marrying a girl For the sake of tiger is also amusing. The behavior of the high-ranking British officer and that of the Maharaja and his Diwan at different points in the story provoke, P-R-O-V-O-K-E, provoke laughter, L-A-U-G-S-T-E-R. It makes people laugh, provoke laughter and maintain the reader's interest in the narrative. Okay, that's all. These four questions you have to note down. Okay, and short questions I will give you after the video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep yourself safe. Stay at home and advise others also.